Welcome back guys, Ravi here. It's almost 6:30 p.m. here and today again I'm going for training. My training is still not over. It's taking a lot of time. I hope it will be over till next week. I get lots of questions and comments from people on my videos like which course is good for me, which course is not, which course has good scope, which course has good demand for jobs, etc, etc. So I thought let me make a video on that. So first thing is guys, I can't tell you which course is good for you and which course is not, but I'm gonna list down some of the things to keep in mind before selecting a course. So first and most important thing is guys, select a course which offers a co-op. I would choose a course which offers a co-op or field placement anytime over any other course. What is co-op? Co-op is like an internship where you get practical hands-on experience of the things you studied during your college or during your program. So usually co-ops are unpaid and hence most of the students are hesitant to take the co-op because they don't want to work for like 4 days or 5 days a week without getting paid. Anyone who has done co-op or internship has more chances of landing job as compared to someone who has experience back in his home country. Trust me guys. Anyone who has like 4 months of internship done here will be preferred more by the employers than someone who has like 5 years or 10 years of experience back in his home country, because co-op gives you chance of getting Canadian experience and you can add it to your resume saying that you have done this internship at this company and you have got Canadian experience. An employer here values Canadian experience a lot. So yeah guys, choose a program which offers a co-op or internship. And the second thing is, some of the students have doubts that the experience you get from co-op can't be used in a PR process or express entry scheme. So yes guys, that is right, you can't use experience of co-op to get PR or permanent residence. When you are putting file for your permanent residence, you can't add that you have gotten 4 months of experience as a co-op student. So most of students are not interested to take co-op. But think of it in long term guys, with co-op you have more chances of landing a field job, and with field job you can get more Canadian experience, and with Canadian experience you can add it to your PR file, and once you add it to your PR file it will be easy to get PR. So yeah guys, conclusion is choose a program which offers co-op or internship or field placement. Even if it is unpaid, go for it. Study well, do your internship well and keep having fun, enjoying. I hope you guys can hear me. And yeah, that's it guys, that's all for today. If you have any doubts or questions related to life here in Canada, studies in Canada or anything, just message me, ping me. My links are given in the description. Follow me on any of the social media links, and I'm most active on Quora. Message me on Quora if you want. Yeah, that's it. Keep having fun, enjoy your life. Have a good day. Bye bye.